Thought for the day, Saturday, July 27th. Meet in mutual love. May the Lord make you increase and abound in love for one another and for all. First Epistle to Thessalonians. In these words, apparently so simple, it shines the idea that the entire Christian life is summarized in mutual love. At the same time, we discover in them that mutual love is the most effective means to sustain, strengthen, and tone the soul against persecution and all the external and internal difficulties that threaten it. On the other hand, it is not difficult to find the reason. Reciprocal love sets in motion and enhances all the supernatural energies received during the holy rite on our baptism. Faith, impelling us to always see Jesus in our brother. Hope, helping us to start again from the beginning, after each failure. And then all the aspects of love for our neighbors, like humility, meekness, patience, mercy, purity, poverty, etc. Mutual love makes us grow above all in love for the cross of Jesus, because it always asks us to renounce ourselves to be one with our brother. Consequently, all this guarantees an increasingly vivid light, a strength, and an increasingly intimate union with the risen Jesus present in our midst. Chiara Lubich, Fragments of the Commentary on the Word of Life, August 1988.
The Word of Life for July 2024. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.